Adobe Link Tags, Accessibility and Practice, Colorado Department of Labor and Employment. Next, let's talk about link tags. Link tags are typically hyperlinks or links such as in a table of contents in your document. Links are really important because they serve a functional purpose. In order for them to work, they actually have to link to something or function. So we want to make sure we have all the important appropriate elements in our tag structure or tag tree to make sure that they will work properly. So let's go over to our accessibility tags and take a look. The first one we're going to look at is our link in the Foods Dogs Can and Can't Eat poster hyperlink. This is actually hidden within a P tag or a paragraph tag. So if I select the paragraph tag, you'll notice the entire paragraph, including the link, is selected. So in order to find the actual link, I'm going to expand that P tag. And sure enough, here's the link. If I expand that link tag, I have not only that link text, which is that descriptive hyperlink text, which, yes, I know I spelled eat wrong. I have an I in there instead of just E-A-T. So I'll have to edit that in my original document. But then I also have a really important function. It's called a link object. The link object is actually that hyperlink website that takes me from my link to my website, so that when I click on it, it'll actually take me there functionally. Typically, when you translate a document from Word to PDF, these link objects are automatically populated. Another one of those really great features of going from Word to save as PDF. Again, it just saves all of those really important objects. But let's say it accidentally doesn't do that, and we now no longer have our link object. Now, if I click on it, it'll try to go there, but it won't do its job. So what do? Well, I have to add the link object back, right? Oh gosh, what a conundrum. I have my link tag, but the object isn't there. What this means is I actually have to add the link. So I'm going to go to Edit PDF, and I'm going to go to the Link menu, and I'm going to Add/Edit Web or Document Link. This allows me to select that link, and since it no longer functions, I'm going to delete it. Yes, I'm going to delete it. Now I'm going to replace it with a functional link by dragging, by dragging my mouse over the entire length of where I want my link to exist, which is over the entire span of the words of the descriptive hyperlink. A pop-up window will appear. I want it to be an invisible rectangle, and I want it to open a web page. So I'm going to select that option, open a web page. I'm going to select next, and then I'm going to enter the URL of the web page. Whoops, I don't remember my URL. So I'm going to go back to my original document and find my URL and copy it. And then I'm going to paste it into this URL link box. And then I'm going to click OK. Wonderful. So now I've added my link back. But when I go into my link text, you'll see my link object is now back again because I've added my link back. So again, make sure with all of your links you have not only the descriptive text, but also you have your link object, which is literally your website taking you to that actual page. Again, you'll go to Edit, then Link, and Add or Edit Web or Document Link. And that's how to fix your links. All hyperlinks should have a link tag, and under the tag should be the descriptive text for the screen reader to read aloud and the actual link. Do you want to hear how a screen reader is going to read this link? All right, let's do it.
for link food dogs can and can't eat poster.
Find more videos on our YouTube channel at CDLE_DLSS.